Let's start as usual with the setup. Let's change the resolution, 2160 by 2160, 299 the frame range, 299 the playback range, the frame rate 30. Insert a background, background shape. On the scene tab on the right, load the color library and color it yellow. Now we can insert our first square. We change the name, we call it Splinter. The size is 200 by 200, that's fine. Let's change the fill color, black. New square, let's call it mask. (800 by 800). And add a first deformer, align. On the align deformers, let's change the Y value to -1 and go back to the shape tab of the mask object. On the rotation, add a new behavior, an oscillator, and change its value -360, maximum 0, stagger we don't care, change the time mode to minutes, and 7.5 the frequency. This is the result so far. Okay. Go back to the Splinter object. On the mask tab, click the mask tab and drag and drop the mask object. This is what we have. Click the Splinter object and add a duplicator. Increase the count 7 by 7 and the size 1600 by 1600. Right click on the shape time object and add a noise. Click the noise. I like to flag the looping and change the looping length to 299. Let's go to frame 0 and change minimum and maximum value. Let's change it to 0 and add our first keyframe. Drag the cursor to frame 74 and change the values, minimum to -10 and maximum to 10. Go to frame 149 and go back to 0. Now select all the frames, right click, loop after and oscillate. Let's go back to our first frame and watch the result. See you next time.